Here is our question. In the question, there is a limit given, which is lim n tends to infinity xn plus 1 minus xn equals to c, a positive number. We know that if n tends to infinity, then n minus 1, n plus 1, n minus 5 all tends to infinity. Here the difference is of consecutive terms. So we can write the same thing as you see here. xn minus 1, here also these two are consecutive, and if n tends to infinity, then these n minus 1, n plus 1 all tends to infinity, as I said earlier. This also will be c. 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2 by 1 plus 2, we get lim n tends to infinity xn plus 1 minus xn minus 1 equals to 2c. See here, in this n plus 1 and n, these two have difference 1, so 1c. c can be written as 1c. But here the difference n plus 1 and n minus 1, the difference between n plus 1 and n minus 1 is 2, which is here. In this way, we can write lim n tends to infinity xn minus x1. Here the difference is n minus 1. Then this will be n minus 1 c. We can divide both sides by n. Then this will be lim n tends to infinity xn by n, x1 by n, and this will be 1 minus 1 by n c. So letting n tends to infinity, this will be 0, and this part also will be 0. So we get lim xn by n tends to infinity equals to this 1, remaining 1, and c, 1 into c, that is c. So xn by n, this xn by n converges to c. So c is the right option.